People, yesterday I told you about Spice giving a fan $200 on stage. She posted the video, so I have the video to show you. And Nicki Minaj and Drake represents for Jamaica.
And so what I did was I added a couple joints. So I did a remix to Crocodile Teeth. And then I did a record called Fractions.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, yesterday I made a video. I'm telling somebody sent into Pink Wall and says Spice gave back a fan $200 on stage for wearing her Graci Noir brand. Now, Spice post the video, people, so I'm gonna have the video for sure now, right? And this is pretty cool. So, without any further ado, take a look at this. Here goes.
Company's gonna buy on me and check out Graci Noir. Remember that GRACINOIR.com. The nice thing. Oh, Bakla, watch Graci Noir. Come up here for good. Excuse me, let you Graci Noir. Let you Graci Noir. Alright. Big up yourself. Thank you for shopping on Graci Noir. Right, it's a nice skin. Right, we are a company of fans. Sorry that. Big up Graci Noir right there, so. Right there, so there. Right there. Big on more. My big bad DJ Dax. What's your name? What's your name? Andrea, sorry. Your name Andrea? Where you from? Jamaica. Oh, you come from Jamaica. How much you pay for this suit? 150. You pay 150? Rasta, you have some cash, you can give me 150 to give that this lady. Let's pay 200. Pick up your blood clot, sir. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I love you, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for shopping at Graci Noir. Yeah, we have to support who support. We're right there, right there. Right there, so. All right, we need a confidence, bro.
Yeah, so big up Andrea and big up Spice, big up everybody with one piece of Graci Noir clothing and all of the people and we are going to shop there in the future. You saw me, I say, we're going to support Spice. You know, see, I already talked about this yesterday, you know what I mean? It might be your lucky day if you go to her show wearing one of her brand. Remember, so she have faces and laces too. I think I said it wrong yesterday though. I think I said laces and faces, but the good thing about it, it's interchangeable to me. You know what I mean? It rhyme any way you put it. So big up Spice on that. But people, let's talk about Skilly Bang and Nicki and Drake, right? So who remember when Skilly posted the artwork for the song, the Crocodile Teeth remix with Nicki, and then beat him bad, you know what I mean, him delete it and all of that. So I'm showing at the front of the video when Nicki actually said, but everybody know now, the song is out. You see me and it's a Nicki Beam Me Up Scotty mixtape, and that tape is from way back. That's like one of Nicki's first project. You see me and say, remember I actually know about Nicki from the song Itsy Bitsy. That's like one of my favorite Nicki Minaj songs of all time. And the real day one fan them of Nicki would know what me I talk about. Yes, so on the project she says she had like a few new tracks. She had one called Fraction, the Crocodile Teeth remix, and then she had one with Drake and Lil Wayne we called Sea Green. That one they had to you, so me I say. So if you want to check it out yet, just go up on YouTube and listen to Nicki Beam Me Up Scotty tape, right? And people, she go live with Drake and, you know what I mean, Nicki a chop some bad words. You know, to them it's nothing like, they don't really see it as nothing because they even play upon radio. If you listen to for them clean version of song, all the Jamaican bad word them in it same way. So take a listen to this. Here it goes.
Hi, Drake! Yay!
I'm out here. What's up?
Where you at?
In these streets.
You're in the blood clot streets. I
In
started
the
blood clot.
streets. Yo, Nicki Minaj dropping music tonight?
No, I didn't.
Oh, you did? You gotta get hit, bro. Come on, man. What's up, man?
So
You know
Drake.
Nicki Minaj dropping some new songs tonight?
I didn't know that.
You don't know that? You gotta get hit.
Excuse me, sir.
Of course it's
Excuse
good.
me, sir. You didn't know I was dropping music tonight?
You gotta get hit. Huh?
Oh, yeah. So it's
I'm
motherfucking always in the motherfucking building. The goat is
doing
on
your.
the motherfucking line. What up? Like, don't
What up?
nobody ever come motherfucking. Y'all not seeing him. Y'all not playing with him as the
Your street
motherfucking artist of the decade and all of that. What's really good? Young fucking Money, YMCMB, Lil
Oh, I like
Fuji
that.
on the motherfucker. Hey.
I like that. Damn, you know I like when you go off like that.
Oh, okay, yeah, because I was gonna get him some Queen Radio vibes thing. So basically, since it's like 5 more minutes left.
Yeah.
So I was telling them that you sent me this record called Seeing Green.
That's right.
What made you think I would sound good on that?
I mean, you know, it had been. Well, can I say who else is on it or no?
It's a surprise.
Okay, all right. Well then, it's just been a really long time since that
moment.
Yeah, it was just it didn't feel right with you not being on it. That's really the best way I could put it. It was like, it was fun the other way, but it's epic this way, you know. So we just, you know, I had some real heart to heart with you lately, like just about the fact that it's like, it's just your world. Nobody does this shit better than you, and it's like when you're gone, you know, obviously. Papa Bear's here now, so we are, you know, we understand the priorities. But, you know, when you're gone, I'm not going to lie, like, I'm sure I speak for everybody in the live when it's like, yo, we really miss you. Like, we really miss your presence, and just like, we miss the bars, we miss the excitement that you bring. So it's like, you know, I've been on you lately to just, you know what time it is. And, you know, I'm coming over this weekend too, so.
Yeah, blood clot lie. Yeah, 2 blood clot lie.
No, I'm really there.
This man been saying he was coming to my house for the last 2 weeks, y'all. So now y'all gotta make sure he come over here. While I lied to him, I swear I did this. He kept on lying, so I was like, yo, no, I'm cooking for you this time. I'm cooking steak, shrimp, and all of that. And he still stood me up.
No, I didn't stand you up. That's not you. Don't make me sound like that.
All right, no, but listen, on the real shit, I love you so much, Drake. Like, so just let me tell y'all the real shit. I was gonna say it, but I didn't want to say it too much. He single-handedly got me out of my writer's block, and I'm never gonna forget it. And I'm gonna shout it to the fucking world on the mountaintops, because that's the real shit. That's my hand to God. He sent me something, and it made me feel so competitive again. I was like, yo, what the fuck am I doing? Like, you need to start writing. And
facts.
Whenever I hear Drake and Wayne rap, it's always going to inspire something in me. But outside of Drake's raps, it's his like pep talks. He'll send one text that'll make me really like reevaluate everything. He's a fucking genius as a musical artist, but also just as a human. Like, please, everybody know that. Like, that's real shit. Like, that's not a fake shit. And so I love you very much. You guys, the song is about to come out. I'm gonna try to go live tomorrow, y'all. I know I didn't get a lot of time because somebody came extra late. I'm not gonna say no names, Tay, but he played his fucking stupid ass fucking self, as always. But you guys, go and listen to Seeing Green featuring the 2 GOATs, Drizzy Drake and Little motherfucking Wayne. Go pull up Beat Me Up Scotty right now. Go listen to Fractions. And Drake said Fractions is a fucking slap. So
it is a slap. And tomorrow I'm pulling out my my YMCMB sweatshirt, the old one with the Birdman logo on it, like just for, you know what I'm saying, just because. But listen,
I have some YMCMB slippers.
Listen, I'm in the middle of the street, but I just want to tell you this: I love you with all my heart, and I'm glad that you got in your bag for this re-release. But you know what time it is now. I'm not taking, I'm not gonna say too much on here, but it's that time. So I'll be there this weekend. I love you.
I love you too, Drake. Okay, bye. Thank you. Bye. All right, you guys, bye. I love you so much for tuning in. God bless you. It was a lot more stuff that I wanted to say, but we ran out of time. But you guys, check out the music and let me know how you feel about the music. I'm wishing you guys all the best. Was there anything else I needed to say? Not that I can think of. Go check out the music, you guys, and let me know what you think. I love you dearly, okay? Bye.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. should know. Tanto Blacks. Yeah, they.